My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Boxycharm Premium unboxing for the month of November. So Boxycharm Premium is $35 and you're supposed to get products the retail value of $175 or more. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this month, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me and YouTube's algorithm know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you would like, please subscribe to my channel. It would be much appreciated. All right, let's get into this bad boy. I just opened 2 base boxes because they were really good. So you got a lot to live up to Premium. The first product is this Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream. So it says this advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, echinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. So this retails for $125. I actually got this brand in Boxycharm last month. It was like a matte moisturizer. It was okay, but I think it was something ridiculously like a crazy amount too, like $100. So here's what it looks like. You get 1.35 ounces. So I don't know, we'll see. Ooh, the next product I did choose. And it's a product I've been looking at for a while, like on Sephora, and wanting to get it, but then I'm like, I have too many powders. I don't need it. So I'm really excited to try it though. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. This weightless setting powder features a built-in powderizer that grinds the finest, freshest powder to set makeup, mattify, shine, and blur skin. One twist grinds pressed powder into a light diffusing micro powder, creating just enough for a smooth, even layer with less mess. So this retails for $39. Oh, it kind of looks like a camera lens. So, oh my gosh, that's funny. And they even do have it like it's supposed to be a camera lens. Like those are the settings of my lens that will not work right now. So, okay, let me take this off. Okay, twist for fresh powder. Here's what it looks like without the thing. So let me twist. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Hold on, let me get a sponge. Wait, I want the sponge. Is there a sponge that... I don't think there's a sponge that comes with it. Okay, I'll just get a brush then. That's really cool though. I like that you don't have to like dump it out into the lid, and then if you don't use it all, it's just a pain. Okay, I am really excited to try that more. It's $32. I don't know if I said that. All right, next is, what the hell? Where's the thing? This is the Cosmetics Skincare Brush Set. Take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or masks with ultimate precision and no mess. So this retails for $25. Okay. So for the cleansing brush, let me show that to you guys. Here's what it looks like. It says, apply cleanser to brush and use in circular motions on the face and dégagé. Rinse face with warm water to remove mask. Okay. And then for the other one, it says, okay, it has 2 different sides. It has a texture side and then a smooth side. Use the textured side to apply a detoxifying mask to the T-zone, including chin, nose, and center of forehead. Use the smooth curved side to distribute a hydrating mask to the cheeks and sides of the forehead. Okay, I mean, I do have some silicone brushes that I'll use to put like moisturizer or a mask on, but this is like just going a little extra with it. Okay. Next we have this Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette. So this 4-in-1 palette features a stunning mix of bronzer, highlighter, blush, and translucent setting powder arranged in a travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look. Okay, this retails for $32. And mine is in Fair Light. Well, good, they got the color right. Huh, well, I don't know what highlighter that's going to be on a Fair Light person. So we got a bronzer, a blush, a very dark highlighter, and then a translucent setting powder. I'm not going to swatch it because I might put this in a giveaway, but I like how it has all of them in one for traveling. All right, and then we have this Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra-dazzling finished look. I remember when these first came out, a girl I worked with was like obsessed with them. She got them all. Come on, why is it so hard to get out? And this retails for $20. So this is in the color Caffeine Queen. Ooh. Oh, that's a really pretty, like, brown. Ooh, I like that. Okay. And then lastly, we got this Real Her Lip Liner Duo. So it's infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter. And this you get between our deep nude and true red. Okay. So here is the nude. And the red. They're very nice and creamy. Okay. So let me calculate the total retail value for my Boxycharm Premium and I will be right back. So the retail value for the box was $266, but let's not forget that $125 of that was the night cream. Like, Boxycharm, why are you trying to play us like that? But my box variation was number 2 if anyone is interested, and let me know what you guys think about my box, and in particular, like, the fact that they throw a product in there that is like $125. I don't know. Anyways, all right guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.